Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I want to do a little bit of a different video. I wanted to sit down originally and talk to you guys about how to deal with anxiety. But I want to do it a bit differently because I feel like sit-down videos can be super boring. So I decided I'm going to make this more of a vlog style video on ways I relieve my stress and anxiety, because I have been battling with stress, anxiety, postpartum depression, and all that fun stuff for a very, very long time. And I think it's time for me to sit down and share with you guys how I personally deal with these emotional states. Right now, I am battling with a little bit of postpartum depression with having the baby. Also did just apply for a mortgage. We are in the process of buying a house. That has to be the most exciting thing, but it can be very, very stressful as well. So I'm going to show you guys how I relieve my anxiety in the comfort of my own home, relax, and have some me time. So let's get into the tape. This child does not look like me. You don't look like me. The first thing I like to do, you guys, sorry the fan is in the background, but I have to have it on because it is so flippin' hot in here. I can't even believe it. What I like to do first is sit down, prepare my week, write down the meals I want to make, healthy meals, because if you're eating crappy like I have been, like I get it, like this mode where I just order food, I go out and eat, I don't want to cook. So having just everything organized in front of me, it actually makes me feel 100 times better. And also I just discovered a new way to order groceries is through Save On. I go online and order my food and they literally deliver to my house. Like, so cool.
Driving down the wrong road, playing games and feeling low, messing with my mind. How'd you do it this time? Don't know where it all goes, leaving me behind.
Trying to get things done, but this little munchkin, holy moly. Something that I really want to get into is juicing and doing a juice cleanse, like a small one, like a 3-day one, just to try it. I've never tried it. I've asked people, like, is it worth doing? Like, should I do it? And then people are saying it's not worth it, but I just find like these boathouse smoothie things not as healthy as like a pure juice would be. Like, there's 29 grams of sugar in 250 mils. So this whole thing is 946 mil. So there's a lot of sugar in that. But that's damn good.
I'm tired of playing games, let's throw the board away. Oh, can you give love a try, even if it's for a day? Threw away your first chance, what happened to our romance? Let's do it a second time. I can't stand here all day, soon I'll look the other way. Why can't you just be mine? Let's embrace the sunshine, winter's gone and you'll be fine.
Right, so that was difficult. I cut it short for that yoga because my head just felt like it was gonna explode. It did feel good to stretch out my body because I haven't stretched in a very long time because I'm sick. Honestly, I feel so much better just doing that. Yoga has become like a big part of my life, and like tarot readings and just zenning out my soul. I know that sounds silly, but you know, just zenning out and relaxing. Oh my god, I gotta show you guys this. I'm gonna do monster. Look at how adorable is that. I can't, this kid, like my kids are everything to me. I can't even. So I also did clean up my house. I didn't vlog that part. I find cleaning is so therapeutic. If my environment is messy, I feel like my brain is just running 1,000 miles a minute. I sit there and I procrastinate and everything just keeps accumulating and building up. I'm super overwhelmed, like my place is a mess. I literally just sat down and did nothing about it. I couldn't do anything, I just wanted to cry. And my advice, get your phone, put in music, blare this music. If you want to listen to like dance music, put it on. If you want to listen to sad, sappy music, just listen to something that, like headbanging music, just angry music, anything. Just put your headphones in, put your phone in your pocket, or what I like to use, I love using my fanny pack. Call me silly, but I put my fanny pack on, I put my phone on, start dancing, and I clean up my house. And you'll find that cleaning won't feel so overwhelming, it becomes fun. But like I said, listen to music, have a mini dance party, and by the end of it, you'll sit down like I am right now, and you will just feel 100 times better, because before I started filming this video, my house was a mess, and my environment is a big part of my mood and everything. Ryan knows if the house is a mess, I'm gonna be a big nightmare. Let's just say I'm a nightmare when this house is a mess. It makes me crazy. So yeah, that is another way I deal with my anxiety. Just do it. Trust me. When I'm feeling really stressed or I have really bad anxiety, I love to do late night baking. It's been just something that I've been doing constantly, is putting like some mellow music out, baking muffins, banana bread. But it is literally 30 degrees in this house, it feels like. I am sweating. Instead of baking, I am going to just relax. I might go upstairs. The AC unit is upstairs. I'm going to run myself a nice cool bath with some eucalyptus bubbles, and I'm gonna read. Reading is such a big part of my life now. I used to hate reading, but I find that reading just makes me forget about all my problems, all my stresses, and all my worries. This book is called Sacred Powers by David G. I'm gonna do a video on my channel of my summer reading list. This will be on my summer reading list. I actually did buy this book quite a while ago, but I just haven't gotten around to reading it. And also, as you guys know, I am super into tarot. That helps me relax as well. I actually just got this new box, Animal Spirit, and it's by the same girl who did my other tarot box, and her name is Kim Kranz. And I will definitely be doing a tarot reading tonight, probably in bed. But that's what I'm gonna do. When I'm feeling down, I love to reach out. I love reading quotes. I love reading books. And that's what I'm gonna do tonight instead of baking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. And also hit that notification bell to see when I upload a video. I really want to start posting more consistently. Stay tuned for more videos. I have so many video ideas. So don't forget to do that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.